Tired of painful razor burn every time you shave your bikini line? What if you could say goodbye to bumps, burns, and ingrowns for good? In this video, I'll show you the best bikini shave routine that leaves your skin smooth, soothed, and irritation-free. Welcome to MTH Health, your trusted channel for faceless, evidence-based self-care tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly health hacks that actually work. Now let's get right into it. Razor burn happens when a dull blade drags across your skin and damages the hair follicle. It causes tiny cuts, swelling, and opens the door to bacteria and ingrown hairs. But the good news? It's completely preventable with the right shaving method. Let me show you how. Always start by softening the skin and hair with a warm shower or soak. 3 to 5 minutes is ideal to open pores and make hair easier to shave. This simple step reduces tugging and irritation dramatically. Next, gently exfoliate the bikini area using a soft scrub or exfoliating glove. This removes dead skin cells that can clog your razor and cause ingrowns. Don't scrub harshly. One light pass is enough. Use a fresh razor with 3 to 5 blades, nothing dull, nothing extreme. Apply a transparent, fragrance-free shaving gel so you can see what you're doing. Pull the skin tight and shave with the grain, meaning in the direction of hair growth. Use short, gentle strokes and rinse the blade after each pass. Never press down too hard. Let the blade do the work. When you're done, rinse with cool water to close pores and calm the skin. Pat dry with a clean towel, don't rub. Then apply an alcohol-free aloe vera or calming moisturizer to reduce inflammation. Dermatologists recommend changing your razor every 5 uses to keep it sharp and safe. Avoid shaving right before working out or wearing tight clothing. This traps sweat and causes irritation. Always store your razor upright in a dry place to prevent bacteria buildup. Here are the 3 biggest mistakes most people make when shaving their bikini line. Number 1. Shaving dry skin. This is a fast track to razor burn. Number 2. Using a dirty or shared razor. Always use your own. And number 3. Applying lotion with alcohol or strong fragrance right after shaving. Look for gentle exfoliants, pH-balanced shave gels, and soothing aftercare serums. All fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and non-comedogenic. These help protect your skin without clogging pores or causing breakouts. Let's take a 30-second self-care break. Grab some water, stretch, or take a breath. Your skin, and your stress levels, will thank you. Let's recap the 5 steps quickly. Steam, exfoliate, shave gently with the grain, cool rinse, moisturize. Do this right, and you'll never fear bikini shaving again. If you found this video helpful, tap the like button so YouTube recommends it to more people. Subscribe for weekly health and hygiene videos that actually work. Want smoother underarms too?